Okay, so now we have our seed keyword list that we got from Bing. We're going to just grab those keywords, and I'm going to do a Control A. Okay, let me get these back together. Alright, make sure we don't have any huge gaps in here. Alright, so Control A. We're going to grab all those with a Control C. Go to textmechanic.com, text tools, basic tech tools, and what we want to do is remove duplicate lines. Alright, so we want to remove empty lines. I don't think we have any. And then we're just going to go Control A and delete all of that. Control V, and well, actually, we do have some empty lines. I want to get rid of that. And then paste our keywords in here. Okay, all looks good. Now let's remove duplicate lines. Okay, so we had 4 duplicates in there. Not a big deal though, so we're just going to copy all of those, take them out, and get our notepad back up. And since these are all highlighted, we'll just override them with that. Okay, let's go ahead and save this. Save as. And we'll get over to into MAA and our PPC campaign. And this is our wealthy affiliate. Okay, so we're going to say Bing keywords cleaned.